In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text change color on Hover in Wix. Let's dive right in and transform your website into an interactive and engaging experience for visitors. To get started, we'll first need to access the Wix Website Editor, which is the platform where you can customize and design your site. Once you're in the Wix Website Editor, the next step is to locate the Interactive option. This is where you can enhance the dynamic aspects of your site by incorporating interactive features that respond to user actions. Click on that, and you'll find various interactive options available for use. Next, you'll want to select hover boxes. These are fantastic elements that allow for some very cool effects, like becoming visible or changing colors when users hover over them. Hover boxes can significantly boost your site's interactivity and visual appeal, so choose one that matches your design theme. Once you've selected a suitable hover box, go ahead and click on Hover. This allows you to configure the hover settings, including changing the image or text color. Inside this section, you will see options to interact with each component within the hover. Click on any image present and then select Delete to remove it, leaving you with a blank slate to work from. Now, let's switch back to regular mode. This adjustment helps align the hover box with the original text size, ensuring that both match perfectly. After ensuring that everything is in alignment, adjust the hover box size to match your text size. It's crucial for maintaining visual consistency and ensuring a seamless interaction. With the size adjusted, select Add to Hover to delineate where your effects will take place. Here, click on Text and choose the same theme text you initially selected during your site setup. Keeping consistent text styles throughout the website is essential for a professional look. Once selected, resize the themed text to your preferred dimensions. Now it's time to bring color into play. Click back on the text you've added to the hover box and select Edit Text. Within the text editing menu, you'll find a color option. Click this to open the color palette, allowing you to pick a brand new shade. This color will be what the text changes to when hovered over, so choose one that stands out and complements your site's overall aesthetic. After selecting your color, simply click Close to exit out of the color settings. The final step is all about seeing your work in action. Click on Preview to view how your website looks and behaves with all adjustments in place. You'll see firsthand how the text changes color dynamically when your mouse hovers over it, providing a sophisticated feel to your Wix site. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a vibrant hover text effect on your Wix website.